I used to weigh 400 pounds. I've since lost over 220 pounds and I love pasta, but I've had a hard time finding a low carb pasta substitution. They're out there, but none of them fool me. But I think I found the one. Oh, I think I found the one. I'm telling you, this sorcery, unmatched. And I'll also give you a little sneak peek into this low carb, high protein Olive Garden chicken pasta that I made. So I was searching the Thrive Market website. I always go on there because they have really good stuff. I like to see what's new. Babe, hit the jackpot. They have this new pasta that I've been wanting to try. It's low carb. I believe that's pronounced Kaizen, I guess. I don't know. But they have the, is it cavatappi? I'm sorry, I don't know how you say it. This is low carb pasta. 20 grams of protein and 6 grams of net carb per serving. And then I got this one. I don't know how you say that either. I'm sorry. Fusilli. I'm sorry. Pronunciation is not my strong suit. Food is. I speak food. And then ziti. I know how to say that one. They also have a low carb rice. I'm super excited about this texture of this. I cannot wait to try it. And we will. Palmini Hearts of Palm lasagna noodles. I have not had a Hearts of Palm lasagna yet. Is it good? I couldn't tell you because I don't know. Also, I love spaghetti squash, but I'm too lazy to do my own. You can literally buy it like this in a box. And it's like dried out, but you just add it to boiling water. Cool. I like the arrabbiata. Did I say that right? Again, bad about it. I'm sorry. Raos. Again, can't say it. Sorry. And I also got the Thrive Market one. The macros on this one were actually better than this one. So I figured I would try it and see if it's a new switch for me. I got 3 things for free. Garbanzo beans, Sloppy Joe seasoning mix. We're gonna have to make something. And more Emmy Eats low carb ramen. It's so good, I swear. Now it's time for the Olive Garden low carb pasta. Here we go. In my handy dandy crock pot this morning, I added chicken breast, cream cheese, the Olive Garden Italian dressing. I chose the light Parmesan cheese, HBR ranch seasoning, because ranch goes on everything, and pepper, okay? And I let that cook, and then I'm gonna add the pasta in just a minute. I'm using the Kaizen low carb, high protein ziti pasta I just told you about. It's made out of lupini noodles, but I'm excited because I just think the texture is gonna fool us all. Let's see if we can be fooled by this pasta. Cheers. I'm a fool, all right. That is so good. 10 out of 10.